talk about tub vacuums and maintenance. Obviously, if the symptom is that the machine is not picking up and the motor is cutting out from time to time, what we need to do is the answer to this, and it's probably blocked somewhere in the machine, and the thermal overload protector which is on the motor has basically cut out. So what we need to do is switch off the machine, unplug it from the wall, remove the head, basically check the filter to see if the filter's dirty. If it is dirty, just give it a vacuum out or just knock it out. Check the paper bag to see if the paper bag's 2/3 full, replace it. Obviously also check the inlet just inside the machine, just in there, just to make sure that's not blocked. Obviously if all that's okay, obviously reinsert your bag, put your filter back in, stick the head on, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the hose off to start off with. We'll plug the vacuum back in and we'll switch it on. Now there's a suction there, as you can see, straight suction, it's pulling my hand in, so we know this end of the machine isn't blocked. So what we'll do now is we'll put the hose on and we'll plug the hose in. Again, we'll switch the machine on, get in the end of the curved hand tube, put your hand there and there's no suction at all. So from that I can ascertain that the hose is blocked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlift the hose. I'm going to basically just check down there, unscrew the curved hand tube, check for see if there's any blockages in there. If need to, just get a broom handle and push it down just to make sure. And obviously then check the curved hand tube. As you can probably see, there's a blockage there. And it's usually right in the curved bit of the hand tube. So all we need to do is just get something to remove that blockage. And once we've done that, we can reattach to the hose. Put it back in, and then hopefully switch it back on.